Niharika Gaur, dynamic leader of Jawaharnagar municipality. Namaskar. Sitting with the young, dynamic youth leader and the corporator of 28th Ward of Jawaharnagar municipality, and also the ex-sarpanch K. Shankar Gaur's daughter, Miss Niharika Gaur. Namaskar. Ma'am, several questions are for you. Number one is that, what is your education?
My education qualification is degree. I've completed degree from Bhavans Vivekananda College. Then after I have placed in Infosys. Post that there was an election campaign and my dad asked me to come into politics. Since it has to be there into politics to serve the nation. Therefore I have been here since it's
Means to serve the nation you came in the politics.
Yes.
Even though you are having good education, you can go for IT, doctor, IPS, IAS or anything. Okay. Why only the politics?
So it's basically my dad Shankar Gaur, and it's before Shankar Gaur, it's my Vidnana who is Sri Narsingh Rao. He's a founder of this Jawaharnagar. He has ఆయన ఫస్ట్ తను వచ్చేసి ఒక 3 or 2 months he has served as a sarpanch, but then after he has been killed by Naxalites and all. Then my dad came here, I think in 1996, so far 1998. In 1990s he has been into politics. From there he started. Continuously he has been elected as a sarpanch for 3 terms. Then after women reservation came, my mom, she has been elected. After that, Mallesh Uncle, who is a sarpanch of this Jawaharnagar, the last sarpanch, with my dad, my dad asked him to, since he is also one of the founder, my dad asked him to come into politics. Then my dad, it's been 20 continuous years, my dad is into public service and my mom is into public service. Gradually, when it's a women reservation, my dad asked me youth has to come up to the youth have very necessity of the youth in this politics. They have innovative ideas to develop. Since Jawaharnagar, as you all know, that from where it has been started, it's been 2000 population hardly in 1990s. After that, it's been now you have roughly 2 lakh population. Till that, from 1990s to 2013 to 14, it's my dad who has been serving into this public. So even I take inspiration from him and I have been coming to politics. That is the reason, the main reason which I have come into politics.
Father and mother is your inspiration?
Yes. Of course, I'll take see, I have seen after coming into politics, I changed my opinion what politics is exactly, because I can see there are many changes. What my dad did, politics is not a politics according to me. Maybe it's only just a service. But after I'm coming into politics, I'm getting to know what politics exactly is. So yeah, I'll try to make the change in the politics, not entire politics, whatever possible from my end, I'll try to make that change.
One more question I have. Is the politics is good or politics is bad? As per your opinion.
As
Today.
Today, according to me, politics is not good, but somewhere I feel there should be some people who have come with clean sheet to the politics, so that they have to serve only for the nation, not for themselves, to the greedy, and just in the sake of, I'll tell you one thing, there are people who are coming into politics, keeping money, and when they are going back, they are going with bags. That's my opinion. See, that's a general opinion to everyone. So I feel people should, I encourage youth to be in politics because they have good ideas to serve the country, because people will be getting to know what exactly the country or the nation or your village or your street is going through. So I completely in that way of things.
One thing is good there, in your opinion, yeah, youth should come, okay, because the new children, they don't know how to do the corruption.
Yes, exactly,
yeah?
Exactly, and they know.
Is I am correct?
Yes, I absolutely say that, not we cannot say even old are doing corruption.
No, I am not saying like that. Okay, everyone is correct. I am saying that if new children will come in the politics, They have, just now you said, they have the better idea.
Better
That
ideas,
is-
and
that is
they're
okay.
only like I feel that more youth has to be occupied into politics rather than the case.
And also they don't know how to do the corruption. Ma'am, one last question for you. As before happened in the Jawaharnagar, I am not indicating any person to any person, but I am sitting with you, so I will ask for you. Approximately in my knowledge which I have, they served morally approximately 20 years.
20 years.
Huh? In that was the old time. You are the young. Okay. Mr. Shankar Ward and Srimati Jyoti Ward. Their ideas are different. So what the dreams which your father has seen before, then which he want to do, will you complete in that right now, and how?
See, my father dream is only like I'll basically say it's. I think you are aware of this Jawaharnagar, how it has been. So my father, whenever he used to he will say or Mallareddy, like all the concerned officials, we want 58-59-0 to be what you will say. It has to be implemented here because we have like 60 yards, 20 yards, like this. Basically, this act is for like people who have less land. In that way, like if we implement here and if we impose taxes on them, maybe we can improve even our what you'll say that treasure for JMC. With that money, we can develop. Instead of that, here what is happening is that everyone like just doing the ventures, leaving, and that's how maybe Jawaharnagar maybe we couldn't do it. My dad's only motto is to implement this 58-59-0. If possible, if only possible in this era, maybe I strictly stand by that word to make 58-59 to implement here.
Okay. One thing more for you, but this is some special question. Why only you join the TRS party? Reason?
The main reason is of course it's a ruling party. The second reason, there are few schemes which attracted, there are few schemes like Kalyana Lakshmi, Shadi Mubarak, and there are many ample number of schemes which attracted. In the sense, if we implement, if that correctly goes, yeah. So that may be the reason because of the schemes and.
So means you are impressed by the TRS party.
Yes.
Okay. It comes in my knowledge that few months back you received a check of amount approximately, I don't know, from the municipality Jawaharnagar, and it comes my knowledge that you have returned the check. What was the amount of the check which you received, and also a reason for returning the check?
It was approx 60,000 I hope. Why the reason I returned is that it was given in the name of contractor.
So, okay, it has given on the check was issued to you on the name of contractor. Okay, what is the reason to giving you this type of
Sir,
check?
we don't have notice of that they are issuing checks in the name of contractor. And at that time when I questioned, they said there is only one registered contractor in whole JMC. So, I got check in the name of Swami. I don't know his surname, it was Swami. So I questioned they didn't ask for any tender protocol, they didn't call for any tender, they didn't notify it anywhere. So without that they directly issued a check. Okay, if contractor is due, check came in the name of contractor, that means contractor would have done something. But no one involved here, we the corporators who did everything. So if contractor is doing, why we will go there and stand in the sun and do all the stuff? We will give it to the contractor, let him do. So my opinion, why I returned is in the same. Why only one contractor was there? Why it's only mentioned on his name? And why we did not get notified?
One thing more I want to know by you, because you are a very dynamic and you are a very knowledgeable person. Okay, one thing I want to know by you, who is the check issuing authority in the municipality Jawaharnagar?
We got DEE, of Jawaharnagar has sent
Name?
me to like Krishna.
Okay.
Krishna Garu has. I asked him like he is the one who give the contracts and all. So I questioned him. Even I put the RTI. I didn't get any proper information. I
No,
returned the
no,
message.
one thing more, ma'am. This is a very good thing. I remember one thing more. Why in your ward, in your 28th ward, not only in your 28th ward, you are the citizen of Jawaharnagar. See, and wherever, as per my knowledge, not only in 20th ward, 1 to 28th wards, you know, if you will see any corruption, will you inform to the higher authorities?
Yes, definitely.
1 to 28. I am asking
All 1 to
not only for
Sure.
your personally. I am not going.
Yeah.
See, 1 to 28. I am asking.
Basically for this only, even I came with the same motto. In wherever it may be in the whole Jawaharnagar, if something is actually we have some issues which came to our notice also. Definitely we'll report it. Not even like we'll report it to even the IT Minister KTR as well as Mallareddy also. So hopefully they will take action against this. Yes, definitely we will do.
Okay. One thing more, ma'am. Presently, you also know, everyone knows in the Jawaharnagar, the situation of the government school is not good. And also, the Anganwadi school, the children, those who are staying there, they are not getting the proper food. So, in that, what kind of a change you want to do for the education of children, those who are coming from the Malkaram, Nagaram, or whatever it may be, so far. And my thinking is that, is there any procedure or any way to arrange the vehicle to the government school children? Okay, because their father and mother, they both are, which I know. The thing is that they are very poor. For the reason that children are studying in the government school. So my question is that, will you approach to your higher authorities for the vehicle to be arranged for the children those who are studying in the government school?
Definitely, like we already like here to from 211M and all is available, but you are asking anything
I
separate?
am asking from the government. 211 or 24B, that is from the RTC.
You are asking separate vehicle.
Separately, I am asking you for the municipal Jawaharnagar. From the municipal Jawaharnagar, how many government schools are there? Vehicle should be provided for the poor people, because they are coming. They are most of that you have to think on the humanitarian now, because some children are not having shoes. They are not having slippers also. They are coming barefoot. Okay, for the reason I am asking you, will you approach to the legal concerned authority, maybe collector or your minister Mallareddy, or whatever the higher authority, or the municipal Jawaharnagar? Okay, for that, what you are going to do? I am asking your opinion.
Like to the children who are coming barefoot. So actually even I didn't thought about it. Actually it's a good idea. If it is possible, maybe I'll write a letter to the even municipal commissioner as well as the collector. Yes, that's an thing. Yeah, yes, we can do that. Like it may be possible with this
What
thing.
maybe, ma'am, this is 101% possible if you will fight for the children.
Sure. Maybe I'll fight for this too. It will come into my list also. Yes, definitely. I think it's going to be like, but here the case is like there are people from different parts. So how many vehicles is needed is that the question.
Question is that is very simple. You have to take the index from every government school of the children.
Okay, maybe. Yeah.
Right? Right now, you will also do the time pass like others, which happened before in Jawaharnagar. Being a corporator, you will do time pass, or you will work for the public, or you will think that I will pass this 5 years, after that we will see, like that.
నాట్ ఎట్ ఆల్. అంటే ఏదో వచ్చి టైం పాస్ చేసి రాజకీయాన్ని టైం పాస్ చేయడానికి అయితే ఖచ్చితంగా రాలేదు రాజకీయాల్లోకి. నేను చెప్పాను కదా ఇంతకుముందే, నేను వచ్చింది లైక్ మా డాడీ మా మమ్మీ వాళ్ళ ఇన్స్పిరేషన్ తీసుకొని వచ్చాను. సో నేను ఏం చేయాలి అనుకుంటున్నాను అనేది 28 డివిజన్లో మ్యాక్సిమం ఈ 5 ఇయర్స్లో 28 డివిజన్లో అక్కడ ఏమీ ఫెసిలిటీస్ లేదు. ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ వాటర్ లేదు, సీసీ రోడ్ లేదు, అండర్ గ్రౌండ్ డ్రైనేజ్ లేదు, ఏదీ లేదు. సో మేబీ నేను ఈ 5 ఇయర్స్ టర్మ్లో వాళ్ళకి యూజీడీ ప్రొవైడ్ చేసి మిషన్ భగీరథ వాటర్ ఇప్పించగలిగి సీసీ రోడ్ వేయించగలిగితే మేబీ దట్ విల్ బీ ద రోల్ మోడల్ ఫర్ ఆల్ 28 డివిజన్స్. అంత అంటే ఇవి చేస్తే చాలు, ఇంకా ఐ నీడ్ నాట్ టు డూ ఎనీథింగ్ ఎక్స్ట్రా. ఇవి చేస్తే మేబీ దట్ విల్ బికమ్ 28 డివిజన్ విల్ బికమ్ రోల్ మోడల్ టు రెస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ద డివిజన్స్ ఐ ఫీల్. సో నేను ఖచ్చితంగా టైంపాస్ చేయడానికి అయితే రాజకీయాల్లోకి రాలేదు. టైంపాస్ చేయాలంటే ఇంకా నాకు చాలా ఫీల్స్ ఉన్నాయి. ఇట్స్ నాట్ లైక్ ఇక్కడ సేవ చేయడానికి మాత్రమే వచ్చాను. మేబీ దిస్ ఇంటర్వ్యూ విల్ కీప్ ఇట్. ఇంకా 5 ఇయర్స్ తర్వాత పెట్టిన తర్వాత యూ విల్ సే దట్ నో యూ డెంట్ డూ టైంపాస్, మీరు ఇక్కడికి సేవ చేయడానికి వచ్చారని. దట్ ఐ వాంట్ టు హియర్ ఇట్ ఫ్రమ్ యూ గైస్ రాదర్ దాన్ టెలింగ్ ఇట్ ఫ్రమ్ మై సెల్ఫ్.
థ్యాంక్ యూ.